Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that Stihl 021, very popular saw for farm use and small general firewood cutting. And we'll take a close-up look at it. This one's got a 16-inch barn chain. And that's a new chain on there, and that is a sprocket nose. Got a working chain brake. Bar adjuster on this, loosen the bar nuts, and it is right there. And there's where you tension up that bar and chain. Screw right there. Bar and chain oil goes up right here. And you fill it with your mix oil right here. Controls are all in one here. This is all the way down as choke, high idle, idle, and all the way up is off. Look at that up close there. Off position, run position, idle, and then there's choke all the way down, and then up one click, high idle. And when you trip your trigger, watch that lever, it'll pop back up, goes to an idle position. It's got the operator presence lever right here. That's a safety feature. That's so you can't if you got it idling there, you don't, a limb were to get in here or something, you can't throttle it up without your hand in place. Now we'll go outside and make a cut with it.